Castor oil can do wonders for your skin and hair. Along with the antibacterial and antifungal properties, castor oil is filled with some great vital nutrients such as vitamin E, minerals, and proteins that is required for healthy hair and skin. It helps reduce skin inflammation and helps in curing several skin disorders. Keeps the skin moist and wrinkle-free. Here are 8 castor oil beauty benefits for skin and hair. Number 1. Castor oil for hair growth. One of the best uses for castor oil is without question for hair loss. Research has shown castor oil to be effective in treating hair loss. Castor oil has all the right sources of vitamins, minerals, fatty acids to restore and revitalize your hair and scalp. Its antibacterial and antifungal components is great against folliculitis, inflammation of hair follicles, dandruff, and even scalp infection. Castor oil packs another element called ricinoleic acid, which stimulates circulation in the scalp, improving hair growth. Number 2. Repair split ends. Another hair benefit of castor oil is its ability to help prevent and repair split ends. Just apply a few drops of the oil directly to the ends of your hair to reduce the amount of breakage that you see. It helps to restore health to your hair and it will make it much less brittle so there is less breakage. Number 3. Treats wrinkles. Castor oil can be a great natural remedy for wrinkles. It penetrates into the skin and boosts the production of collagen, which softens and hydrates the skin. It rejuvenates the skin by making it softer and smoother. Apply a small amount of castor oil over the wrinkled area and leave it overnight. Using this regularly gives you a youthful appearance. Number 4. Softens calluses. This thick oil is an excellent moisturizer that helps soften calluses by treating dry, rough skin. When applied to the affected area, it helps restore the moisture and adds softness. Also, its anti-inflammatory properties helps alleviate the pain and swelling that can make walking difficult. It is also effective for treating corns as well as dry and cracked heels. Soak your feet in warm water for 10 minutes. Using a pumice stone, scrub the area to get rid of thick and hardened skin. Rinse off your feet and pat them dry. Next, soak a cotton ball in castor oil and place it over the callus or corn. Secure the cotton ball with a small piece of tape and leave it for several hours. Repeat daily until you are satisfied with the result. Number 5. Remove warts and skin tags. Castor oil can be used to remove unsightly warts and skin tags. You just have to apply the oil to the wart or skin tag every day for a few weeks and you should begin to see that mark disappear. Note that this will not work on moles on the skin, so make sure you know what you are trying to remove before you begin using it. Number 6. Prevents stretch marks. When used during pregnancy, castor oil prevents the formation of stretch marks. Basically, it works as a humectant, helping your skin retain moisture and maintain elasticity. In addition, the fatty acids in it maximize the ability of the skin to regenerate tissues to improve the skin strength and texture. Combine 1 tablespoon of castor oil with 2 tablespoons of sweet almond oil. Apply the mixture daily on stretch mark prone areas such as the stomach, thighs, and breasts to prevent the ugly marks from developing. To fade stretch marks, massage the affected area with pure castor oil for 10 minutes and then cover the area with plastic wrap. Apply heat using a heating pad for 15 to 20 minutes. Repeat once daily. Number 7. Reduces acne. Castor oil is rich in ricinoleic acid that fights off the acne-causing bacteria. It effectively penetrates the skin layers, making it an excellent remedy for acne. Wash your face with warm water. This will help open your pores. Simply massage your face in a circular motion with the oil. Keep it on overnight and wash your face the next morning with cold water. Number 8. Thickens eyebrows and eyelashes. This follicle stimulating and nourishing oil can help thicken the hair of your brows as well as lashes. It contains protein, vitamins and fatty acids that nourish the hair follicles and promote hair growth. Plus, it helps fight microorganisms that hamper hair growth. Dip a cotton swab in castor oil and rub it into your eyebrows each night before you go to bed. Repeat until your eyebrows reach the desired thickness. For thicker eyelashes, close your eyes and gently apply castor oil on your lashes. Do it daily at night before going to bed. Continue for at least a couple of weeks to get naturally longer and thicker eyelashes. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. If you have any questions about this video, leave it to the comment box. We will try to respond as soon as possible. For more health tips and recipes, subscribe to our channel.